Alright, so you already know what today is. Today's Monday. Yellow box. It's Tokyo session. We would have set a high here and a low here. If it would have broke the low Tokyo session, you would have shorted, but it did not. So as you can see, I can go back here. Wake up. 1. Now it's the morning. 2 a.m. Boom, boom. That would have been a buy here. If it would have crossed, so I should have set that up prior. Not entirely sure why it's frozen. Okay. So your buy would have been a little bit above the high of Tokyo and a little bit below Tokyo here if it was across. So you would set it up. So it would have bought in here. And you would have took your profit on there. So that's, again, a JPY trading session strategy I use. I'm going to leave my Discord link in the description below. You can also sign up with Henko Trade. I have my link down below as well. They use 500 leverage, so you can gain as much profitability as you can while taking less risk, account balance wise. Again, if you need help, you can message me on Discord. And yeah, so this is a simple way to show you guys again. I'm making more videos within the next couple weeks, kind of a course to kind of show you what to do with Ichimoku Cloud, the settings, etc. So if you haven't already subscribed, like it, comment, let me know what you think. This is the JPY trading session that I only take in the mornings. So yeah, I'll be posting more.